talagang, syempre mainstream yun. So, talagang kasi pangarap po namin yun. Sa lahat.
Sino gusto mong makasama?
Siguro, as a love team or
As a love team.
If acting, like, gusto ko, for the love team, siguro, sa may love team, si Liza, syempre. Pero pag sa like, acting, talagang idol ko si John Lloyd.
Ako po, ganun din po. Pero parang syempre, gusto ko i-enhance pa yung skills ko bago makarating doon. Siguro yung gusto kong makasama sa ngayon, sila Daniel po at Kat. Opo. Opo. Hindi ko alam sa kaka-partner, pero sila po yung gusto kong makatrabaho so far.
Ayun. Syempre po, pare-pares po kami ng harap din na makapasok ng mainstream at kami naman po nabigyan natin ng opportunities na support ganyan. Then, makatrabaho po na love team, siguro Liz Ken din. Tapos, ang maka-love team siguro, na wala pang love team, Michelle Dito. Sana, Michelle, sana nanonood ka. Ayun po.
Ako naman po, parang personally, hindi ko po talaga gustong i-push yung pag-arte. Pero I'm more on the side of being a musician. I'd like to push my career being a musician.
She's actually being a little shy about it. She can do almost anything. She's a born entrepreneur. She can dance. She can play instruments. She can sing. She can write the songs. She acts.
But
she does
really,
everything.
it's my dream to be a theater actress before.
Oh really?
Wow.
I didn't know that.
Musical play, musical theater, gusto mo maka-penetrate din. Guys, mag-guest kayo sa radio program namin sa GMA.